Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on the home screen button with Assistive Touch on the iPhone 15 series. Now first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings menu, you want to go all the way back to Settings, and from here scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, go down and then tap on Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch and make sure Assistive Touch is turned on by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can see there is a small round button here. This is the Assistive Touch. When you tap on that, it will show a top level menu, and from here you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. So you can see it doesn't matter on what screen I'm on. If I tap on the home button, that will allow me to go back to the home screen. Now this will require you to tap on the button twice, so it is a two-step process. First you tap on the button, it will show you the top level menu, then you tap on the home button. Now if you do not use any other functions in this menu here, you can simply assign a single tap, so that when you tap on this button once, it will take you back to the home screen straight away instead of opening up this menu. To do that, you can tap on Settings and in the Assistive menu, so in Settings we go into Accessibility, then tap on Touch. Then we go down and tap on Assistive Touch, and then go to Custom Actions and then tap on Single Tap. So instead of the button open up the menu, you can ask it to go directly to the home screen. So here I can tap on the button, that will take me back to the home screen straight away. And that's it. So you can set a single tap or double tap so that you don't have to perform the action twice. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.